In this video, I'll show you how you can add a hyperlink in your PDF file. So let's say you have a PDF file and there's a lot of stuff and you want to be able to click right here. What you can do is you want to open up a Word document. Make sure your PDF is saved somewhere. So you can just press the save button and download it on somewhere that you can easily access it. Then what you want to do is go to Word, press open, and then you want to find the file. I have mine saved right here. So I'm going to press open and it's going to tell you this. You're just going to press OK. And as you can see, the PDF file is now opened in my Word. Then what I want to do is I want to highlight where I want the link to be, go to insert in the top left corner, and then press on link. Now from in here at the address, I can type in the link that I want it to be, youtube.com, and press OK. Now I have it like this, and then what you can do is you can press File, Save As, press right here, choose PDF, and then press Save. Now when you do this, you have now successfully saved it as a new PDF file with the hyperlink in it. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.